If your check engine light is on and you've got a P0011 trouble code, it's time to pay attention. This code indicates that your camshaft timing is over-advanced, which can lead to performance issues and even engine damage if left unchecked. Common symptoms include rough idling, poor acceleration, and a noticeable decrease in fuel efficiency. You might also hear unusual noises from the engine, like a ticking or rattling sound. Now, let's talk about where the trouble usually lies. The most likely culprits are the variable valve timing, VVT solenoid, the camshaft timing gear, or even the oil control valve. To troubleshoot, you'll need a few tools: an OBD2 scanner, a multimeter, and basic hand tools like wrenches and sockets. Start by checking the oil level and quality. Low or dirty oil can affect VVT performance. Next, scan for any additional trouble codes that might give you more clues. If everything checks out, inspect the VVT solenoid and wiring for damage. You can test the solenoid with a multimeter to see if it's functioning properly. If it's faulty, replacing it could solve your problem. Always remember to take safety precautions. Wear gloves, disconnect the battery before working on electrical components, and ensure the engine is cool before you start. By following these steps, you can effectively diagnose and address the P0011 code, getting your engine back to optimal performance.